My name is Seth Kwaku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright guys, so if you remember, I showed you how to create something like this. Now I am going to show you how to turn it into a banner, and so let's step right into the tutorial. Now it's the same design that we have, but this is for a poster or a flyer or a social media handle. We want to create a banner dimension, and the client gave me a particular one that I want to use for this particular tutorial. Let's go to new, and then he gave it to me in feet. So you have to find out what is the size of things in feet, converting it into inches. He says that he wants the width to be 8, and so 8 times 12, let's go and then let's do the calculation. So it's going to be 96, and so we are going to go to Photoshop. Now let's come over here, and then let's use 4 might probably give us 48, yes, and so 48, and then I'll keep here 100, and then RGB, because we are going to print it, I'll use CYMK. Okay, 8-bit white, and then let's call it church banner or Easter church banner. Okay, and click on create. Also, I like to close this so that my machine doesn't really freeze and stuff. And then let's see, let's go to new, let's go to view, let's go to new guide layout, and then exactly click here, set it to 3, click here, set it to 1 each, click over here. I'm trying to convert it into a banner. All we have to do is just have to rearrange it and give a very good layout, that's all. And so let's just start with the background. I'll push the background in there and release it here. Now I would open it, click over here, and then Control T, and then let's resize it. But then because the pixels over here is quite bigger, the blur doesn't really gel well, doesn't really come out well, so we're going to give it more blur. We're going to give it 42.9, and then give it enter. Nice one. And then let's close it. We are done with the background, or even we can even give it more effects. Let's give it more effect over here. Pick this and then increase the size. Make sure caps lock is off. You can hit somewhere here, and then let's set it to screen. Awesome. And then we could increase it more. Push it somewhere here and reduce the size a little bit, or the opacity a little bit. We could also give it another one, and then let's just increase it, paste it somewhere here. Also turn it to screen, and then resize it, and then reduce it a little bit. Duplicate it, and then move it here as well, and then give it a mask, or mask that side. And so let's just say this is great for now, and then we can also now start with what is in the model. Yes, let's bring the model in there. Oh, wow, it doesn't want to come. Doesn't want to come. Let's open it. Let's click over here on just this one. Let's drag it in there again, and let's see. All right, now let's resize it, and then let's click here. Let's give it curve. Let's clip it to it. Let's drag it up. No, let's drag this side up. Okay, a little bit. Great. So I think this is great. Let's put it in a group. Let's call it model. Nice. Now let's also go back. Let's go and pick our Easter. Let's see what this will also go. If this doesn't go, we'll drag it individually. Does it want to? So open it. Or you know what? We could do one thing. We could finish the whole work, and then we convert it to CMYK. Right, so let's go here. Let's go to image, let's go to mode, let's go to RGB, click on OK, click on don't rasterize. Once you are done with the entire work, you convert it to CMYK. So good, you can see it's RGB here. Once we are done with it, we'll do the conversion. So now anything we drop in here is going to go. If it doesn't go, then there's something wrong with Photoshop. Definitely something wrong with it. So you can see it just came, and then let's resize it. And then the model, let's see. Let's go back. Let's pick theme and then venue. Let's drag both of them there. Let's resize it. Let's move the venue here. You're going to work on the venue later on. Let's just move it here. Make sure it also hits the line here and then push down here a little bit. Let's go and bring name. Let's open it. And then over here, let's double click it. Let's go and pick over here. And then let's drag it there like that. Okay. So we can close it now. And then let's pick the date and the time. Let's drag it in there. Let's push it somewhere here. Now let's click here and then let's draw something here like this. Awesome. That means this and this time date would also perhaps have to go up a little bit. Let's add a theme to it. Theme, and then maybe also Easter as well would have to go up a little bit more. Okay, maybe let's move it here a little bit. Let's move 1, 2, 3. Let's move it in a little bit more. Okay. Also, I'd like to go here and then let's see. Okay, so over here, I'll click on the mask. Make sure click on my brush, reduce it, and then mask this side. Oh, perhaps increase it. Okay. Yep. Alright, so let's close it. Let's pick the logo. Let's drag the logo in there. Let's bring our lines. Let's drag our logo somewhere here. Okay, let's drag our logo up here. Open it and then present. Let's put present here. If possible, click over here, click over here. Let's choose this color. Click on OK. Okay, so I think our present is not really visible. Let's change it here to medium. Okay. And then the venue, let's push it in here a little bit. Now I want us to open the venue, and then this two, let's delete them. And then the venue itself, let's drag it down like that. And then the agegi, let's push it up a little bit more. Also, I feel like the light over there is too much. This one, so let's give it a mask. And then let's mask this side. Great. And so we can close it. And then let's also see what else can we do to push it up and make it more beautiful. Perhaps I'll pick this and I'll draw a very thin line, very thin line. Okay, click over here, set it to color white, and then I'll move it like that. Okay, so something like that. Then also I would come and pick this. Where is you? Okay, so I'll pick this details. I'll pick these details. Click on my move tool and then drag it in there. Click here, drag it above logo. Control T. Okay, so let's drag it up above it. Let's zoom in and then let's work on a few of them. Now mini string over here, I want us to go here. Let's go here. Let's use Montserrat for it. And then also I want us to set it to color. Let's set it to black here. We are setting it to color black here, of course. Let's set here to 115. Great. And then let's set here to 20, of course. Make here caps as well. And then let's also come here to dual cut. Double click it. Push it here. Or something like that. We want it one word like that. Now we're still using Montserrat for it. We're still using bold for it. Let's click here. Let's set it to 109. Enter. Nice. Now you're also going to make it, let's take this one off. You're going to make it caps here, bold over here. The tracking, let's set it to 0. And then that's pretty much it. Now let's set it somewhere here. Okay. Make sure it's aligned nicely. Great. Now let's zoom in for this. Awesome. Click on the white and then drag it like that. Close this one. Drag it like that. And then you also want this to be here like that. Okay. Now let's zoom in and make sure the rectangle falls within the middle of it. Sweet, 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 sweet. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we are done with that one too. Enter. And then let's see what we can do with these two text. Let's hold shift and drag it this side. And then let's control T and then resize it like that. Now let's try and keep it in the middle of it too. Great. Now let's select everything. Control T and then bring our lines and then try and then keep it in the middle of it. Okay, awesome. And so just like that, we could say we are done with that one. Let's put it in a group and let's call it miniaturing tail. Okay, so we are done with that one. Now let's go here and then let's go and pick this as usual. I showed you how to get this in the previous video, so kindly watch it. Okay, let's go here. Let's set it to soft light as usual, and then let's go here. Let's set it to 50%. All right, and then let's see. I still feel like the image here needs to be a little bit darker, so perhaps I would go in here to the model and then I'll give you some curves, clip it to it, and then I'll move this side here. Let me see, move this side here. Now if you love this design, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. And don't forget, these PSGs are coming at a very cool price, and so I would like you to purchase them if you love them, because at the end of this year I might end up selling them individually. And so guys, I love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.